Hello and welcome in your first German lesson. Today we are gonna learn German for beginners to start from zero. Lesson 1 we will learn today. The topic is alphabets. Some alphabets are same like English, but there are also some different words. So let's start it. And you should have to write this on the notebook and pronounce with me. So let's start. The first word is a. This I pronounce in Deutsch, but in English it's a. But in Deutsch it is a. The next one is b. After some times we will make some new words. After some lessons, then you will also learn the pronunciation of the words. The next word is say. In English it is see, but in German it is say. I give you a task. You have to write this on the notebook and you have to pronounce with me. Next word is day. In English it is D, but in German it is day. I also write it under this in some spellings that you have pronunciations easily. The next is A. In English it is E, but in German it is A. So you make practice with me and speak loud with me so then you can make practice. Next is F, with just like fox, so it's called like F, the same just like English. And then the next word is gay. In English it is G, but in German it is gay. You just have to learn the pronunciation. Some words are different, but some words are completely like in English. Let's start the next one. It is ha. In English it is H, and in German it is ha. Let's learn another word. It's E in German, and in English it is I. You have to make it sure that you pronounce as I pronounce, and then you make practice with yourself or with your friends. The next is yacht. In English it is J, but in German it is yacht. We will also learn some words with this, but this will be in the next some lessons. Let's learn this word. It's ka. In English it is K, but in German it is ka. The pronunciation is the basic rule of learning anything. Next is L. I also try to explain by writing, so you can also learn by writing. L, it's same like English L. M, it's also same pronounced as the English M. As I already say, some words are same like English, so it will be easy for you. Next is N. It's same also, just like English pronunciations. I hope you're gonna enjoy the first lesson. Let's learn a new word. It's O, the same like English O. As you already know, all words are not pronounced same. So let me give you an example with this word. It is pay. In English it is P, but in German it is pay. If you want to learn German in English, just have to subscribe my channel and then I will make it easy for you. I already learned it in the school. The next one is Q, not Q. Q is in English, in German it will be Q. And let's learn the next word. It is R. In English it is R, but in German it is R. So you have to also learn the the pronunciations by speaking, and also you have to know how to write them. Next one is S. It's the same like English, S. Do one thing, push this video and watch this video again, then you will have a idea of the pronunciations of the other words also. Next one is the. It's not T, it's the. So let's learn the next some words. It is oo, not you. Oo. I know video gonna be some long for 8 minutes, but be patient and stay with me for all the video, and then you will learn all the alphabets of German. Next one is V, not V. It is V. Just like Vogel or father, it's pronunciation like F in English. Next one is V, not W. V. It's V. In next videos I will show you also some words just like Wasser. Wasser mean water. Next one is X, not X. X. You have to speak same like I'm speaking. Let's learn the second last word of German alphabets. It is Y, not Y. Y. I also have write it down in the spellings sentence, so you can also read if you cannot speak it. The last word is set, not Z. Set. I hope you enjoyed this video, but this is not the end of the video. There are some umlauts, some extra words in German language. So let's start with umlauts. The first one is a with 2 dots. The sounds will be like a. You have to say same like me. Don't laugh on it, don't make fun of it. It's seriously like this. If you are in Germany, then you will know about that. The next one is O plus 2 dots. You have to make sure the pronunciation is same like I'm saying O. Please watch the video again and again until you have the pronunciations in your mind. Next one is U. U plus 2 dots. U plus 2 dots. So you have to pronounce as I pronounce and try it again, and then you will succeed, I promise you. The last word of the German alphabets, last umlaut is S, set. So it's pronouncing like double S. You can make sure how you pronounce it like S, set. So it's like you will feel Spaß. So at the end of Spaß it is S. So you will know it by the next some videos.